Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my bike check. I'll start from the back. Haro MS4 tires, Eastern 9er back wheel, 9-tooth dragger. That's Ralph. That's the Shadow Conspiracy interlock V2 chain, eclat tilt 25-tooth sprocket, redline device cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stock seat, Eastern, redline device frame, 21.75 top tube, fit ED bars with fit grips, stock Eastern stem, Haro 09 forks, some crappy mongoose front wheel. My other front wheel broke, so I had to put this one on. I just need some more cash now. I'll put a new one on. That's Bob right there. So, yeah, that's my bike check, YouTube.